Enjoy it, man. Open 4 until 11. Open 1 until 11 for your chance.
it going?
Hello, baby.
You guys having a good time?
I'm having a great time. How about you, man?
Not too bad.
Going on YouTube?
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah, baby. Are you streaming right now or are you just recording?
No, just recording.
Just recording?
Yeah, it should be maybe a week.
A week?
I know it'll probably be 5 or 6 videos too. So.
5 or 6?
Yeah.
There's a lot of content going on here. It's a lot of days of it. Have you been back here the past week or so?
This is my first time down here like ever.
Really?
Yeah. So I usually just do the beaches farther up north and like the bike week stuff.
Okay. It's your first day out here?
Yeah.
It honestly, today's not even that good.
That's what I hear.
Yeah. If you came yesterday was crazy. Next week should be crazy too.
I hear the weekdays are crazier for some odd reason.
Because on weekends, everybody goes back home. It's all college kids going back home.
Interesting.
How long are you here for?
Just today for now, but I might come back Monday if that's the case.
I wouldn't come back Monday. Monday's not. Wednesdays.
Everybody's going to be hungover on Monday.
Yeah. Wednesdays are usually like a good day. Yeah. Wednesdays are a hot day.
I'll keep that in mind, man. Where are you from?
I'm from right here.
Are you?
That's how I know about it.
You know.
I've been coming out here for like 3 years already.
Awesome.
Hell yeah.
Fantastic. It's hard for this to get old.
Honestly, it does. My friend's from out of town. He's from Boston, so I'm kind of showing him around. I probably wouldn't have came out here if he wasn't here.
Oh, that's good. That's a good friend of you then.
Hell yeah. Look, showing him around. But all right, brother. Man. Enjoy it, man.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah.
They gonna keep boxing. I already gave away all my money. Y'all homies gonna get a fight.
You box? Where at?
Oh yeah, we out. Let's box. Yo, let's box. Box. Somebody get this. Go. I got the bigger one. Don't want to come back and take back to my van right now.
Right?